Hello, hello mga besh! Good day! It's me again, your beshi Jeromar. Sa mga langga ko, sa mga amega ko, and of course, sa mga kabeshis ko. Hello, hello, hello! And welcome to Hello mga beshis channel! Well, so, for today's video mga besh, I am so thankful na naman and I'm so grateful kasi I will be doing another episode of my milk tea review taste test featuring Infante milk tea! But before anything else mga besh, Infante milk tea is located at 155 Infante Avenue Street, Molo, Iloilo City. And of course, they also offers delivery. Free delivery siya mga besh pag within Molo area and of course within city proper. Pero pag gumamit kayo ng app ng Palihog Errands, with delivery charges. For the number, you may also call or text this number 0977-300-1023. Again, 0977-300-1023. And for the sizes, they are available with regular sizes, which is 50 pesos. And for the large size, 70 pesos. Sulit-sulit na siya mga besh. And of course, pwede rin kayong pumili ng kanilang sinkers. There are sinkers available sa Block Pearls and Nata. If gusto nyo ng add-ons, may add-ons din ng cream cheese, Block Pearls, and Nata. 10 pesos lang siya. So, this is the 9 flavor of Infante milk tea. And later on, we will do a taste test review one by one. And sa last part ng aking video, I will reveal my top 3 flavor. My top 3 flavor. Ibig sabihin, yun ang pinakapasok sa taste ni Beshi. So, let's start. I'm so excited to taste the milk tea of Infante milk tea. Let's go. Let's try. For the first flavor, let's try the chocolate. Let's try that chocolate flavor. This is the chocolate flavor. Let's do the shake. For the chocolate flavor, super thumbs up siya kasi nag-complement yung chocolate, yung Block Pearls nila, so soft and so chewy, and parang merong Nutella essence ako na natikman, pero chocolate flavor lang siya. And for this chocolate flavor, super thumbs up kay Beshi! Sarap nito, promise. So, for the next flavor, we will try the all-time favorite ng mga Pilipino, ng mga Ilonggo. Kasi yung Ilonggo or yung Iloilo, feeling ko sooner this will be the milk tea capital of the Philippines. Yung next natin is yung winter melon. This is one also of my favorite. And later on, malalaman niyo talaga kung ano talaga yung favorite ko. Let's shake. Nothing to describe kasi alam ko na talaga kung ano yung flavor ng winter melon. Yung winter melon ng Infante is very competitive. and very comparable sa mga high-end na milk tea. So, this winter melon milk tea of Infante milk tea is very, very approved sa lasa. Sa taste ni Beshi. Next flavor. I'm so excited for the next flavor. So, let's try yung matcha ni Infante. If pasok or very approved din sa lasa ni Beshi. And disclaimer na mga besh, ng itong taste test review ng base lang ito sa panlasa ko. If ano yung panglasa niyo, I respect it. Pero ito yung panlasa ni Beshi. Kanya-kanya tayo. So, let's try the matcha milk tea of Infante. And nakikita ko meron siyang nilagay na cream cheese. So, shake muna natin para mag-complement yung flavor at syempre, para malasahan talaga natin. So, let's try the matcha. Lasang-lasang matcha talaga siya kasi matcha talaga to. Pero yung nagpalasa pa rin is yung cream na nilagay nila, very well complemented, and the pearl, kudos the pearl of Infante milk tea, super the best. And yung matcha nila is approved din kay Beshi. So, sulit-sulit yung matcha. At hindi ako matcha lover, this matcha milk tea is approved sa lasa ni Beshi. So, yung next flavor, we will try the Hokkaido. Medyo nakalimutan ko na yung lasa ng Hokkaido. Kasi always, Okinawa, winter melon. Pero now, let's try the Hokkaido. Hindi ako pala Hokkaido, pero yung Hokkaido before is na-try ko na. And parang the same din siya and very competitive din yung Hokkaido nila compare sa mga high-end na milk tea. And this Hokkaido milk tea is very approved by Beshi. Love, love, love! Namit sa Besh and well recommended ang Hokkaido. Next flavor. Sandali lang. Inaagawan ako ng disclosure ng straw. Next flavor is the caramel. Pero adjust ko muna dito. Siyempre, para yung exposure ni Beshi is nakikita. And I'm so sorry kasi basa. Next flavor is the caramel. Let's try the caramel. Let's shake. Let's mix the caramel milk tea. So, pag caramel milk tea, dapat parang ang tawag dito, parang coffee lover ka. So, tingnan natin if malalasahan ko yung parang may essence ng coffee. Kasi caramel is, parang nasa family siya ng coffee. Hello? Ang sarap, Besh. Caramel siya, syempre. Caramel siya, pero yung iba kasi is, sabi nila, caramel yung flavor nila, pero lasang kape yung kape. Pero itong caramel milk tea ni Infante. Very surprising. Super the best. I love this caramel flavor of Infante. Super the best and super approved sa lasa ni Beshi. This caramel milk tea is approved. Next flavor is the first large size is the taro. It's so malaki. And take note mga besh, yung large size nila is only 70 pesos. If gusto niyo ng mga add-ons, yung mga add-ons nila is 10 pesos lang siya. And sa mga sinkers naman, pili lang kayo ng block pearls or nata. So let's try this taro flavor. And meron siyang add-ons na cream. So mix talaga natin para tawag dito mag-complement talaga yung flavor milk tea. So, lasang-lasang taro. And of course, this taro milk tea nila is pwede ko siya ma-compare sa isang favorite na milk tea shop ko dito sa Iloilo. Nang tawag dito, parang first milk tea shop dito sa Iloilo. One of the first, di lang ako sure, pero one of the first milk tea shop here in Iloilo. High-end na milk tea shop siya. And this Infante milk tea, very comparable and very competitive dun sa high-end na milk tea shop na sinasabi ko. So this taro milk tea also of Infante milk tea is thumbs up sa kay Beshi. So again, the next flavor, I'm so excited. Ready pa ba? Next flavor is the cookies and cream. So dapat yung cookies and cream nila dapat ng malalasahan ko yung cookies and cream na ice cream. So let's try the cookies and cream. Ang haba ng large size nila. Wait lang ba siya kasi dinimix ko talaga siya para lasang lasa. And of course mga best, recommendable yung black pearls nila. Kasi yung ibang black pearls is matigas. So ako, one factor na nagpapasarap talaga sa milk tea is also the sinkers or yung mga sinker like the black pearl. So yung black pearl nila dito sa Infante milk tea is very approved kay Beshi. Sorry pag mali-mali yung yung pronunciation ko kasi dapat yung lugar nila kasi is Infante Molo Avenue, Iloilo City. Tapos ito yung pangalan ng milk tea shop is Infante. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung yung tawag dito, yung correct pronunciation. Pero yung feeling ko yung tama is Infante. Parang Bisaya, parang Ilonggo talaga. So let's try the cookies and cream. Yung sa taro kanina, yung sinker nila is the tawag ng yung nata. Ito black pearl. Yung cookies and cream is siyempre, ano pa ba yung flavor ng cookies and cream? Cookies and cream is cookies and cream and ano din siya? Liquidized ice cream. And baka makalimutan ko, hindi po ako nag-request ng sugar level ng milk tea nila. And for the sugar level, so far, sa mga natikman ko ngayon, okay yung sugar nila. Iwas sa diabetes. So this cookies and cream of milk tea of Infante milk tea is approved by Beshi. So next flavor is the cheesecake. So yung cheesecake na naman, first time ko tikman ng cheesecake na milk tea talaga. Kasi parang yung cheesecake na milk tea add-on siya. Ito, cheesecake milk tea na talaga siya. So let's try the cheesecake milk tea. Let's mix. Thank you so much again, Infante milk tea for letting me try your flavors. Sabi nila 6 lang, parang 5 flavors lang dito yung bestseller. Pero parang ika-8, parang lahat naman is parang bestseller kasi pasok naman talaga sa lasa ni Beshi. So let's try si cheesecake exposure. Nangaagaw si Hokkaido ng exposure. Sa mahilig magtawag dito kumain ng cheesecake and partner sa kape, hindi na kayo kailangan mag-partner ng kape kasi may drink na kayo, may cheesecake na kayo. And well complemented yung cream na nilagay nila, yung pearl and the essence of cheesecake. So this cheesecake milk tea of Infante milk tea is approved sa lasa ni Beshi. Namit. So next flavor na tatry natin, syempre, wag natin patatagalin pa, last but not the least, tawag dito, if kilala niyo si Beshi is, Okinawa lover. So, yung last flavor natin, ninulit ko talaga siya kasi ito yung favorite ni Beshi. Yung last but not the least is the Okinawa. Let's try that. Okinawa. Paminahan. So later, abangan nyo kung ano yung top 3 flavor ni Beshi, and of course my total rate of all the drinks for all the flavors of Infante Milk Tea. Yung sago kasi nag-ano. Okinawa Milk Tea of Infante Milk Tea. Comparable, and of course, syempre Okinawa lover ako. So, pasok talaga sa lasa ni Beshi. Hindi ko na siya ma-describe kasi yung flavor niya is same siya sa mga high-end na milk tea shop. And the sago, perfect. So this Okinawa lover. So this Okinawa Milk Tea of Infante Milk Tea is very approved sa lasa ni Beshi. So that's it. Thank you so much. No. Thank you so much, Infante Milk Tea, for letting me try and taste your best. Lahat naman talaga is best. Your best-selling na milk tea. 9 flavors ito lahat, and bagong open lang si Infante Milk Tea. And this milk tea, super approved kay Beshi. And if I will give total rate for this milk tea, lahat ng flavor, I will give 11 over 10. Congratulations and celebrations! Congratulations, Infante Milk Tea! Now, excited na ako kasi i-reveal ko na yung top 3 ko na flavor. So, for the top 3, siguro si Okinawa, tawag dito kasi bias pag ipinili ko si Okinawa. Nang exempted si Okinawa kasi Okinawa lover talaga si Beshi. Yung first flavor. For the top 3, I will choose the chocolate milk tea. Chocolate milk tea is very recommendable. And the next is winter melon. So yung number 3 ko is yung chocolate. Yung number 2 ko is the winter melon. And of course, for the number 1, magugulat kayo sa number 1 ko. Kasi yung number 1 ko is si caramel milk tea. Ito yung recommendable na flavor para kay Beshi, yung caramel milk tea ni Infante. So, for my top 3, syempre yung favorite flavor ko talaga is si Okinawa. For the top 3, chocolate, winter melon, caramel, and accepted si Okinawa. Pero overall, lahat naman is the best and approved sa lasa ni Beshi. Pero yung top 3 ko is yung, again, tuloy-tuloy tayo, chocolate, winter melon, and caramel! Thank you so much, Infante! So once again, thank you so much, Infante Milk Tea. For your orders, free delivery siya pag within city proper and Molo area, and with delivery charges pag palihog errands yung gagamitin nyo. So, that's it mga best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe. Hello mga besties! And of course, paki-like din ang page ni Infante Milk Tea. So, that's it. Love. Bye. No. Paki-click ng notification bell below para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. So, that's it. Thank you so much. Love. Bye. Mwah. Bye! Thank you!